Hi friends, I am Coderboy. In the last video, we learned about the for loop. Today, we will learn another kind of loop called the while loop. A while loop repeats code as long as a condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the loop stops. Think of it like this. While something is true, keep going. When it is no longer true, stop. Let's see how it works. First, we create a variable called count and set it to 1. Now we write a while loop. The condition is while count is less than or equal to 3. And then we add a colon. Press enter and Python indents the next line. Remember, the indented line belongs inside the loop. Now inside the loop, we print count. Then we add 1 to our count. This is very important. Each time the loop runs, count goes up by 1. Let's click run and Python prints 1, 2, 3. Then the loop stops. Why did it stop? Let's follow it step by step. At first, count is 1. Python checks is 1 less than or equal to 3. Yes, it is, so it prints 1. Then count becomes 2 and Python checks again. Is 2 less than or equal to 3? Yes, it is, so it prints 2. Then counts become 3, Python checks again. And then count becomes 4, Python checks again. Is 4 less than or equal to 3? No, it's not. The condition is false, so the while loop stops. Great. Now here's the big rule for while loops. The code inside the loop must change something. In our program, we change count by adding 1 each time. That helps the condition become false at some point. If nothing changes, the loop can run forever and this is called an infinite loop. And we do not want that. Now let's compare for and while. A for loop repeats a set number of times. A while loop repeats as long as a condition is true. Use a for loop when you already know how many times to repeat. And use a while loop when you want to repeat until something changes. So remember, a while loop checks a condition. If the condition is true, it runs the code and then it checks again. When the condition becomes false, the loop stops. In the next video, we will learn more about string tricks like joining and repeating text. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.